All right, today, guys, we're going to talk about a little bit of graphing linear equations, in fact. We're graphing lines, guys. It's an important lesson, whether you're solving systems of equations, trying to graph lines to represent functions, all sorts of different things. Graphing lines, important lesson from semester 1, so I wanted to take a little time while we're scrambling here today to get you guys a little refresher on how to graph a line. So remember, this is called slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where that is our slope, okay? Or sometimes we refer to it as rise over run, okay? And then that b value, that is our y-intercept, okay? This is slope-intercept form, hence the name, it gives you slope and y-intercept. And then we also have ax plus by equals c. This is called standard form. And guys, I'm going to show you how you can go from standard form to slope-intercept form for a graph today, all right? Because I think it's always easier to graph out of slope-intercept form. First, let's just warm up by graphing in slope-intercept form. Let's graph this line, negative 2x plus 4. And to do this, what we want to identify is slope. In this case, slope is negative 2, okay? Which, again, you can think of as rise over run. So negative 2 over 1, even if you'd like to think of it as a fraction. And then y-intercept in this case is negative 4. So guys, the y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. Oh, I'm sorry. I wrote negative 4. I've lost my mind a little bit. You guys are probably like, hold on, Mr. Hartman, I know how to graph a line, and you've gone bonkers, guys. The y-intercept here is positive 4. Okay? Talking and writing at the same time throws me off. All right, so y equals positive 4 is the y-intercept. So you go on the y-axis. That tells me my graph is going to cross that y-axis at the point 0, 4. Okay? Now my slope. How do I deal with my slope? I've got to rise over run. If I'm rising negative 2, then I'm actually going to go down 2. I'm going to go down 1, down 2 units, and then I'm running. Guys, I always run to the right, so I'm running right 1 unit. That gives me a point right here at the ordered pair 1, 2. Okay? And I can do that again. I know if you're freehand graphing, we got 1, down 2, right 1. We're going right here. That's the point 2, 0. Guys, if you're freehand graphing, the more points you have, the easier it is to connect the dots, okay, and draw your line. So 3 points, I was pretty comfortable connecting those ones. That's how you graph a line from slope-intercept form. Okay, so, well, Mr. Harmon, what if I didn't have the equation in slope-intercept form? What would I do? What if I had the equation 5x plus 2y equals 10? What I would do is put it in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to try to get this y by itself. I'm going to solve for y. Okay, and just using my algebra skills here, I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. That gives me 2y equals negative 5x plus 10. And I'm going to divide by 2, get y by itself. It gives me y equals negative 5 over 2x plus 10 divided by 2 is 5. So guys, now I'm in slope-intercept form. There's my slope. There's my intercept. Okay? Easy to graph out of slope-intercept form. Here, our y-intercept, let's get this right this time, Mr. Hartman. Our y-intercept is positive 5. So we're going up 5, right there. That's that 0.05. That's our y-intercept. And our slope, guys, we're going to go, again, slope is -5/2. So we're going to go down 5, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I didn't make my marks over here. We're going to go right 1, right 2. And so that's at the point 20. All right, guys, all you need is 2 points to connect. We could have drawn a third point. But if you're confident with 2, then you can connect the 2 points, and there's your line. All right, guys, so again, just a brief review here. Thanks for watching the video, just under 6 minutes. So, guys, go ahead, do your assignment. We just got a few graphs for you to do, and hopefully see you guys all here real soon.